Hello everyone, my name is Domantas and I study natural sciences at Cambridge. Today, I'm going to teach you how to think like an Oxbridge student. How do you answer a university-level chemistry problem? Using the real technique, I will show you how to answer a past interview question for Oxbridge Chemistry. So this is the question. Why does iron rust and how to stop it rusting? I recently read a textbook called Chemistry by John McMurray et al. To find out that there is an electrochemical mechanism causing iron to rust. After further research, I was amazed to know that the annual global cost of corrosion amounts to several trillions of US dollars. There's a huge economical motivation to find ways to protect steel from rusting. Iron is a very reactive metal, which means it is oxidized easily and forms a very stable oxide. As a result, whenever there is oxygen gas around, iron approaches chemical equilibrium by forming the oxide. Oxidation of iron in dry air is very slow. When there is water present, however, oxidation speeds up. A water droplet on the surface of iron creates a tiny electrochemical cell. At the center of the cell, there is an anodic region where the iron is oxidized and the electrons are conducted by the metal to the cathodic region at the edge of the droplet, where dissolved oxygen picks the electrons up and gets reduced to hydroxide. The iron and hydroxide ions then react in solution to precipitate rust. Water makes rusting much faster since the oxidation and reduction take place at different sites and aqueous medium allows for fast diffusion of products. There are various methods to prevent rusting. We can further implement electrochemistry by covering the iron with a more reactive metal, such as zinc, that gives up its electrons more easily. Whenever an iron atom is oxidized, zinc sacrifices its electrons to reduce iron back to the metallic form. This protection only lasts as long as there is any zinc in contact with the iron. Alternatively, we can encapsulate iron in a less reactive metal, one that doesn't rust at all. This is encountered in tin cans, where steel is coated with less reactive tin. However, if this layer gets scratched, the iron begins to rust. We can also make an alloy of iron and other metals, such as chromium, to get stainless steel. Chromium forms a dense and impermeable film of chromium oxide on the surface of the alloy, protecting the metal from further contact with oxygen and water, which prevents rusting. These are some of the ways to prevent rusting of iron, and that's how you keep your answer real. My name is Domantas, and I've just taught you how to think like an Oxbridge student.